Hello fellow crafters, I am Ua, and today on this episode of Cardboard Craft, we're going to be making Drax's Daggers from Guardians of the Galaxy. So, let's get started. First, cut out these beautiful templates. Link to those in the description. Then you can cut 2 out of cardboard that are full all the way down except for the crossguard piece, as well as just one of just the handle pieces. Then you can glue that half a handle piece, or just the handle piece, onto one of the full knife pieces and strip off the inside of the what will be the knife piece. I also added a little bit of cardboard here, just to thicken up the handle a little bit, as well as I just stripped off the knife part on the other side of the knife. Then you can glue it all together and you should get something like this. Then you can glue the leading edge of the knife as well as just a little bit on the back of the tip together to make it look sharp, obviously. Then you can strip off the back of the piece of cardboard, which you can use to cover up the back and around the hand, or cover the corrugation, on the back and around the handle. Then for the crossguard, I cut out a piece of 5mm craft foam, as well as 2 out of 2mm craft foam. Then you can chop up the 5mm piece to put a little bit on the front and a good bit on the back. And then you can glue on the 2mm strips over that to get it to look nice and clean and awesome. Then you can cut out the 2 detail pieces that actually go onto the knife. Then you can glue them on to both sides. Then you can spray paint the whole thing silver. Then you can use some gray paint to just sort of, I guess in this case it's gray wash the entire blade. It's basically just painting gray and then using a paper towel to wipe it off immediately. And it gives it a nice weathered, dull look. And then you can do the same thing to the handle except black. Then you can paint on the details on the upper part of the portion of the knife with a little bit of red acrylic paint. I recommend drawing it out just basically with pencil and then taking the eraser and erasing the lines that you previously drew on. Then you can also paint on the details with some black acrylic paint on the handle. And I think it turned out pretty snazzy. So here we have the final product. I'd say it turned out pretty well for some cardboard. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode of Cardboard Craft. If you have any questions about what I made today, you can leave them down in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So here we are again, doing this awesome outro thing. I do realize that I did the crossguard wrong for this. I'll give you the templates, however, should have the correct crossguard on that for you guys. So good luck with that. Yeah.